Hi everybody, welcome to the Daly City Recreation, Health and Wellness Fair. We have over 41 vendors for medical, we have vendors for healthy aging for our seniors here in Daly City. It's very important that they attend this event because it gives them all this information on how to age friendly here in Daly City. If you haven't attended, you're missing out. You're missing out on all the different organizations. You may need help with Medicare and Medi-Cal. You may need some fire safety. You may need some first aid like with Red Cross. We have everything here for you. So if you haven't come, make sure you hit us up next year in May. Thank you.